Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. For my first experimental horror film, I'm looking forward to investing in some black and white film, as well as some color 40D. Also, I'm going to sample some of the new Ektachrome that's coming out, and giving it the nice, vibrant, bold colors to switch to different scenes, from black and white to the color 40D to the Ektachrome. I believe it's going to add a lot to my film. And those of you just starting out or who have been filmmaking for a long time, the Ektachrome looks really, really good, very vibrant. And I believe all this is going to bring a lot of poignance to my experimental horror film. Those of you just starting out in filmmaking, do sample all the films that are out there. There are more people coming out with 8mm and 16mm film, and also the packages as well, and that type of thing, and to make it a bit more feasible is scanning and stuff like that, if that is the way that you want to go. For me, I'm going to do it the old-fashioned style, by hand, everything. Alright, hope this helps you. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share our videos, join our barter, buy and sell Morbid Team Entertainment group, and put a like on the Morbid Team Entertainment page. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.